Before we start our review on main idea and supporting details, I want us to look at our genre for the week. This week's genre is going to be biographies. I know that you guys have seen and read plenty of biographies since about kindergarten. The prefix bio, B-I-O, means life. The root word graphy, G-R-A-P-H-Y, means to write. So a biography is a written text to inform about a real person's life. It could be someone from the past or someone in the present. It is going to be written by someone else. So remember, the prefix auto, A-U-T-O, means self. So an autobiography is a text written by that person about their own life. But a biography is telling about a person's life written by someone else. That person is usually someone famous or has inspired or motivated a lot of people in some sort of way. A biography will include when they were born, where they lived, what they do, why they're important, and it is giving true facts and information. Here we have awards and accomplishments. Those may also be included in the biography if they have received awards. And again, if that person is famous or well known, they probably accomplished a lot in their lives. Let's take a look at an example of a biography on Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin was born in 1706 in Massachusetts. Ben was able to go to school until he was 10. Then he began working for his brother, learning about the printing business. He wanted to learn more, so he read as many books as he could. When Ben was 17, he ran away and worked as a printer in Pennsylvania. During the Revolutionary War, Ben was a representative for the Continental Congress. He helped Thomas Jefferson write the Declaration of Independence. In addition to working in politics, Ben was also a scientist. He is most famous for his experiments with electricity. He works hard to prove that lightning is electricity. He also invented bifocals, a type of glasses, the Franklin stove, the glass harmonica. He also helped start the first public library in America and the first fire department in Pennsylvania. Ben also set all of his slaves free and fought for the freedom of all slaves. Notice that since this is written by someone else, we have third person narrative. The pronouns that you see are he and his. This lets us know that our narrator is not in the text. You can also see that this is telling us about his life from the beginning, when he was born, all the way up until they didn't get to his death, but they definitely told about most of the major events in his life from beginning to almost the end. Now to go over main idea and supporting details. We know that the main idea is what the text is mostly about, and the details are used to back up the main idea. So our details must have something to do with our main idea. The 4 ways to find the main idea are: 1. Look at the title and headings. 2. Look at the pictures and captions. 3. Look for words used more than once, so our repeated words. And 4. Reread the first and last sentence. There we go. So the main idea of a biography is most likely going to have something to do with their accomplishments, something that they have done in their lifetime that was great. So let's go back to that text about Benjamin Franklin. Since Mr. Benjamin Franklin here has accomplished so much in his lifetime, it would be hard just to focus on just one of those accomplishments. So our main idea here would be that Benjamin Franklin has accomplished many things within his lifetime. That is a very broad statement that we could cover all of these things that he's done in his life. Our supporting details would be He was a scientist. He helped write the Declaration of Independence. He was famous for his experiments in electricity. So any of these back up the main idea that he has accomplished many things in his life.